Let's see how to add a page border around a text box in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, we have first our text box right here. Now to add a border to your text box, simply click on your text box and click on Shape Format. And right here, click on Shape Outline and make sure that you change the weight to have your border. Now, the thicker you go, the thicker the border will be. So let's go ahead and click 3, for example. You can also edit your border by selecting a dash border or a dotted border. You can also change the color as well as the type of line. Now, let's say that you don't want to insert a text box and you want to apply your border directly onto your text. What we can do is highlight our text that we want to apply a border on. Now click on the Design tab and click on Page Borders here at the far right. Now, head on over to the Border section. Make sure that you click the Border section and not the Page Border section, since these are two different sections. Now, for the Border section, you can see that you have the option to apply it to a paragraph or every line of text. So let's say that we want to apply it only around the entire text. So let's go ahead and select paragraph. Now let's create our border. Now let's go ahead and make a simple border by clicking on box and click OK. And as you can see, our text now has a border around it. And that is how you can create a border around text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.